Hello everyone, this is Mohsin and Siddiqui and you are watching APS Mohsin and Siddiqui YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Students, in this lesson we are going to discuss lesson number schedule 3 and come on, open your books in front of you. First, we need to discuss the same thing which is basically give you the actual position of the shape. Lesson number 3 basically is very simple and we are just going to discuss because in this lesson you will just move your shape. So lesson number 3 is move my shape. So take a look. First we need to understand if I am moving my shape. So today we are going to draw this basically traffic symbol. It is interesting. Yes. So first take a look. Page number 47 in front of you. This is our outcomes. After this lesson, we will be able to do the following, like changing your shape location. So we have noticed whenever we are giving the permission and we are giving the command that we will draw a shape, it will just like you can see in the corner. See, like I want this shape is here. So what will I do? Just because we are not giving the direction, we are not giving the basically a right command to move this you can say the shape. So that's why it will happen. So first take a look. I will start from the zero. It means line number one. So first of all, you will need to draw a shape. So I will draw a shape like in the previous lesson. We have understand that whenever we are inserting any type of shape, we will just start with the shape and ellipse is already here. So now I'm going to 100 and 100 because I want a exact circle. Now you have noticed that this shape is basically in the corner and I want the shape is in the middle. So I will use 50-50 because see, it's very small. So okay, we will change the value is 75 I think is enough. Yes, it's better now. So students, I want move this shape here. So first we will add the another shape that is rectangle. To add rectangle, you will start shape dot add rectangle. If you want to double click it or press space, it will add automatically. So I want my shape in a rectangle form that is bigger in height. So I will draw 100 and 200. 300 I think enough. Okay, let's check. See, the same. So I want this shape will be here first. So you will give the name of that shape. Like I am saying that is R1 equal to, if you are moving your shapes, take a proper look. Shape dot move shape name, which I have given already, X and Y. It means the position of X and the position of Y. So now R1 is already given. Okay. So whenever you want to add shape, you will just give the name. So right here shape dot move, then bracket open. What is the shape name? That is R1 because I want to move shape. Computer doesn't know that which shape is this, so that's why we are giving the name. Now I'm giving the exact position like 100 and y-axis being the height So I will give 100. Let's check where it will be. Yes, it is here. And I want in full shape, I want here. Okay. So again, you will check the size like 300. If you increase the value of the x-axis, it will move horizontally. Okay. And if you want the position in vertical movement, so you will just add or increase the value of y. Now I'm giving the 500 here. Here you can see my traffic signal is almost here. Okay, it's not necessary that you will just in a full screen, you will adjust your rectangle, but I want my traffic signal which is in the middle here. Okay, now it's okay. So 700 is I think enough. Then I want move this circle here. Okay, so first the same thing you will do, and a very easy command that you will just give in the name, that is circle number 1 and equal to, press enter key, write again shape dot move circle 1 is already mentioned, and then comma position wise 700 and the 100 is here. So I will just write it 700 first and then comma 100. Let's see where it goes. Here we have, okay. Now we will slightly move in the basically x-axis. So we'll give the both values like 700 and 20, and this is 120. It will adjust in the center. See, but width-wise, basically x-axis is not good, but y-axis means the position of up and down is looks good. So I will just slightly shift into this circle here. Now check again. I think it's look better. Okay. Now again we are doing same thing for the angle one. But before we start, we have to change the color of that circle. Look at the book. You can check that how many colors has given. Already it is mentioned that whenever you move your shape, you have to give the name, like name you want, adding shape formula, and then it will go to which you want. Here we have a traffic signal. So boys and girls, take a look. Already I have a blue color and I want this circle becomes red. So already we did this task in the previous, that how you will change the color. Right here, graphic window, because we have to change before this command, color will change. Okay. So what was the color? That is brush color. Then equal sign, inverted comma, and the right spelling of red. Now check. So yes, it look like good. Now we will add the under shape. No need to copy. I mean, no need to basically type the command. You just copy the command like this. I will copy and select the whole command first. Copy. Press enter key here and paste it. Now this is our circle number 2. So we have to change here circle number 2 also here and here. This basically color is yellow. So I will change the color and the position of circle 2. But 710 is width size is okay. But we need to change height size. Okay, so I will write here 40. 140 means slightly it will move towards down here. But I need more. Okay. We have to do not change the value of the width because it is similar in the line. So I need to change the line like 170, I think. Oh, now it's good, looks good, but we will change the color and the height for the next one. But we need to set first the second one. So 190, I think we will check more. Okay, we will take 200 here. You can check the value. Yes, I think it's good. Okay, so same difference between red and yellow. You have to add the another one that is green in the last one. You just copy the command again. See, copy. And I'm left this space just because to understand. It doesn't mean that you will left the line number two. I'm just giving for the clear understanding that you will understand. First, you need to change the color that is green, and then this is our circle number three. On axis is good. Okay, so write the difference between the 120 and 200 is 80 difference. It means I will change this value to 80. The same difference I want in the third one. Now look at, yes, that is now becomes good. Now we need to add one more rectangle here. And you can see in the book the same rectangle. I want this one. Okay. So we have to add a little basically rectangle here, but according to height, it as height is basically more than their width. I will just copy this command, paste it again. Now this shape will become R number two. Students, basically, according to height, it will basically the same shape. But I need a small one. So you will just write here 50 and 100. You will check first because the size of the rectangle is slightly changed. Now you can see. Now I want this one is here. So first we will need to basically draw the rectangle like this, and now we will move this rectangle here. So according to position, we need to just slightly change the x-axis, and then the last circle is here 280. So it means we have to move almost 300 directly. Yes, almost here. Now change the size again. I will change the position of that. I will write here 60 and here I have 25 because I want this one will be in there. Now it's good. Okay, now you will change just y value because it will slightly change to here. Okay, so again I'm changing the value of only y 400. Yes, that is very good and correct. Okay, now need to change only the color. Already this is blue color. So here we have a command graphic window brush color. You just copy, add before this shape, paste it, change the color, and that is blue. Now check again. See, but this is basically dark blue. We have inserted the light blue color here. So I'm giving the light blue. That, oh, it cannot be recognized. That's why I'm giving the black. So what will you do? You will just add again. Now see, light blue is here. So white and this color is normally by default, it will just look like a blue color. So what should I do? First, you need to basically delete this command. I'm giving you the easiest way. You just copy, I mean cut, add this command after this because we don't need to change the color already. The color is over here. Now check. Now your traffic signal is ready. So hope you understand the topic and tutorial. To practice this at your home, you will draw a different shape using this type of command and inshallah you will get the better result. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next session, in the next tutorial. Take care and Allah Hafiz.